True, guys, because these days the season is very rainy, and because of that, a lot of kids are suffering from cold, cough, congestion, and viral. So, I thought of sharing this quick video with you guys. Uh, for sinuses, these are the acupressure points. You can massage from the base of the toe to the tip of the toe like this in the circular motion. Like this. So from the base to the tip you are massaging in the circular motion. So this is one. It is mainly for sinus, and then this area is for the chest congestion. So you can probably make tiny circles around this area, and you can also press it and release, press it and release, press it and release, press and release. Do it few times in a day. Like, you can do it 3 to 4 times in a day, no problem. Whenever you feel that you know baby is a little calm and sitting at one place, you can probably do try these. Thank you.